Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to close all tabs at once on Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Now, let's say you've finished browsing for the day and you have multiple tabs open that you want to close quickly. Instead of closing each tab individually, which can be time consuming, Brave offers a convenient way to close everything at once. Direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll notice an X button there. This is your main close button for the browser. Go ahead and click on this X button. This action tells Brave that you want to close the browser, but since you have multiple tabs open, it needs to confirm your intention first. As soon as you click the X button, a confirmation message will pop up at the top of your browser window. This is Brave's way of making sure you don't accidentally close all your tabs when you might have wanted to keep some of them open. It's a helpful safety feature that prevents you from losing important tabs you might still need. In this confirmation pop-up, you'll see an option that says Close All. Click on this button to proceed. This confirms that you want to close all the tabs simultaneously along with the browser itself. Once you click it, Brave will immediately close every open tab and shut down the browser completely. And that's all there is to it. You've now closed all your tabs at once using Brave's built-in feature, saving yourself the hassle of closing each tab individually. This is especially useful when you have numerous tabs open and want a quick way to shut everything down at the end of your browsing session. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.